The iPhone 15 series will establish a level never seen before on a smartphone in one crucial area of user experience, and that is battery life. This is Apple's greatest surprise of the year, and if true, it is entirely unexpected. The whole iPhone 15 series is allegedly going to have noticeably bigger batteries, according to this shocking report from IT Home. If you compare it to the prior generation, this is in fact the largest battery boost for any one iPhone, or for all iPhones, if you choose to use that term. If the iPhone 15 Plus and the 15 Pro Max outperform the 15 Ultra, we are getting close to 5,000 mAh in battery size. The iPhone battery will reach absolutely ridiculous levels with its next battery size. The Apple A17 chip will be the first chip on a smartphone built on a 3nm architecture, which theoretically means it's going to be the most efficient smartphone chip. When combined with this big battery, we're going to see some insane performance on the iPhone 15 series. This comes as Samsung was finally closing the gap with the iPhone when it comes to battery performance, as we have seen with the S23 Ultra. According to the most recent speculations, Apple may really remove the 128GB model from its range and instead offer the 256GB storage choice as the beginning storage option for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, so we have another surprise in store for you. Having said that, don't get your hopes up about the price because it won't be priced similarly to the current 128GB price of the iPhone 14 Pro. More likely, it will have the price that you would normally pay for the 128GB model. This means that the iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max will cost more than last year's model while providing you with more storage. They are doing this to increase their profits, but there may be another motive related to the 8K video recording camera update that might potentially be included in the iPhone 15 Pro series this year. This improvement would, of course, need the use of much more storage than in the past. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.